You obviously come into the office now, though you didn't have the opportunity to do so when you first joined Spotify. So what are some tactics or tips that you've learned from caring deeply about this thing?
We adopted several things, which I think works super well in a remote environment. First thing we have now in our team, every time we have a stand-up, which usually you tend to have every day, we decided that's a great opportunity to dedicate some of the time to actually just talking. We have a person every day who comes up with an ice-breaking question. And it could be anything you want. It could be very generic, but it could be also very personal. Especially it works great when the point where you already know each other enough, you could get to, stuff which is a bit more hard to answer, hard to think of, trying to be a bit vulnerable, that really, opens up people from a different perspective. Another thing we have, it's a Swedish tradition called Fika. So what is Fika? Basically, a dedicated time for your colleagues where you gather together, usually with some coffee, also sometimes some sweets, pastries, cookies. And again, you just do what you want. You drink coffee, you socialize. It helps building a community and building trust, of course, because as soon as you start to see people not only during work, but during basically like normal environment, you grow some empathy toward your colleagues and eventually trust.